the bungee cord was here. It was on their front, right? And he's like, man, we're selling 8 bungee jumps a day. And I was the videographer, and he's like, I'll pay you $10 if you can sell the video, because the video was $35. And I said to Bill, Bill, is there a reason why this thing needs to be clipped onto their chest? And he's like, well, that's how they do it in Australia. And they like to wave up to us when they're done with the jump. And I'm like, is there any way the harness could be clipped on their back? Sure. Dude, we started putting it on people's backs to where they don't see all that stuff behind them. And they were all like, yeah, man, I want to do this. And swan diving out there. This is back to Sam's point, why I just don't think it's a good idea to be like right in front of the customer. Now, I know you're probably afraid that this carabiner is going to break. Okay, I just want to reassure you, it's aluminum, it's aircraft aluminum, it's not going to break. What they really want is you to hook them up. You hear that click? Yup, you are good to go. You are going to have an awesome time, man. I want you to look down. I want you to yell out. I want you to have a big smile on your face. This is going to be the most fun you've ever had. Are you ready to go? And they're like, yes, right? The 1 out of 100 would be like, I want to see how this is all linked up and how the sausage is made. And most of those people ended up never even jumping. So we just got to be real careful about introducing fears that that person might have in their head, because a lot of times those fears are just that. They're just fears. They're just complaints. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini master class. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.